Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. In previous class, I had taught you about lesson number 1. The story name is The Trouble with Books. So, before going to that today's topic, I will give some hints to you about the story. Harish and his mother went to school to take new book for his third standard class. So they both went to school and collected the books from office. After his mother was remembered to him, you should not be play with your books like your rockets, balls or boats to make the books paper. And he was promised to his mother, I will keep safe my books in this year. So now let's start today's lesson. Now Harish was a good boy, but he had one bad habit. He treated his books badly. He would tear them, throw them, lose them. He did not know that books should be treated like friends. So, children, now I am explaining this paragraph to you. Listen carefully. Now, Harish was a good boy, but he had one bad habit. What that bad habit? He would tear the page of the books and throw here and there, and sometimes he lose also. And he did not know the books look like a friend. You have to you also have to treat your books like friends. Next, Harish would not listen to anyone, and scolding him had no effect. His mother hoped that at least this year Harish would be more careful. So Harish wouldn't listen to anyone in home, and if they scold also no effect for him. And this year his mother hoped that at least this year Harish would be more careful about his books. Next paragraph I am going to read now. That was in May. By the time it was July, you should have been Harish's bags. The English notebook had no cover. Maths had a few pages missing. The science textbook was in tatters and EVS hook. His mother was very angry and she decided to teach him a lesson. She spoke to Harish's English teacher, Mrs. Jaya, and they thought of a plan. So after reading this paragraph, children, I am going to explain you. Keep the finger on line. That second paragraph, third line. Keep finger on that line. That was in May. By the time it was July, you should have been Harish's bag. Means May month they collected the books from school, and now the July month, after May, June, July, just have to see in Harish's bag what happened with him, what he is doing with books. The English notebook had no cover. Mama had put the cover for Harish's book, English book, no cover now. Maths had a new few pages missing, means after writing some pages he was missing from maths notebook. The science textbook was in tatters and EVS hook, means that science textbook some pages are missing, it is not getting properly, and EVS also too. His mother was very angry and she decided to teach him a lesson. So mother got angry about that matter, and she got angry and decided she should teach some lesson to him. To whom? To Harish. She spoke to Harish's English teacher, Mrs. Jaya, and mother went to school and spoke with Harish's English teacher named Mrs. Jaya, and they thought of a plan. And after that, Harish's mother and Mrs. Jaya, means English teacher, both thought of a plan how to treat Harish to maintain and make neatness, whatever means how to maintain the books properly, looks like a friend. They thought of a plan. So next paragraph. It was a Monday morning. Harish was getting ready for school. So one Monday morning, so Harish was getting ready to go to school. Mother, did you see my English notebook? I have a test today. So mother, Harish was asking to Mama, Mom, did you see my English notebook? Today I have English test. Next para. No, Harish, I am sure it is somewhere there. Did you check your table and shelf? Asked mother. So mother telling, no, Harish, I am sure it is somewhere. Did you check yourself, your table in your shelf where you kept? Next paragraph. Oh, ma, it's not there. Mrs. Jaya will scold me. Harish was telling, no, mom, it is not there. Mrs. Jaya will scold me. Mrs. Jaya means his English teacher. Next paragraph. Well, it's time to leave. Your bus is here already. I am getting late for office, said mother, smiling to herself. She knew Mrs. Jaya would take care of the rest. So now mother was showing very hurry to go to leave him to school. Well, it's time to leave. Means we have to go to school, or his mom have to go to office, so she is getting late, said mother. She knew Mrs. Jaya would take care of the rest. So she means Harish's mother and Mrs. Jaya both are planned to give a lesson to Harish how to look after his book. So that Mrs. Jaya would take care of the rest, means she can manage to school how to give a lesson to Harish. So okay children, today only this much I am reading you. So first work you have to do, you have to underline the new words from this para where I started today. Keep finger on line. The last paragraph, listen, second line is treated. 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 Next, turn the page. Page number 2. Scolding. 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 Next paragraph. Third line. Tatters. 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 Next, angry. Third line, last word angry. 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 Okay children, only this Four words today I am giving you for new words. So your work, you have to read aloud this lesson and learn the new words properly at home. Bye children.